Hi friends, welcome back to backend application using the Node.js and Express.js. In the last class, we have completed the register user functionality. In this class, we are going to complete the login user, also called as sign in. Sign in. Open the controllers user.controller.js. Here, create a one function called login user equal to async handler. Inside this, we are going to create the our actual function called async request comma response comma next with a async keyword. Export this login user like latch block throw new API error dot status error dot status error dot status code or 500 error. In the message also error dot message of something went wrong. Something went wrong. Something went wrong. In the try section, first we are going to collect the login details like a email and password equal to request dot body. Email and password comma email and password equal to request dot body. Check these things like a validate these things array of email comma password dot some element equal to element of arrow function element dot trim method equal to null. Empty string. I'm going to throw a new API error called 400. All fields are required. All fields are required. All fields are required. If the all fields are there, if the all fields are given in the while logging in, I'm going to proceed with checking the user with user dot find one method using the email. Then if suppose check the condition called user is existed, user is present, if user is not present, I'm going to throw a new API error of 404 comma user not found. User not found. Otherwise, in the else case, I'm going to proceed to check the password. Is password correct? Password correct equal to password correct equal to user dot compare password. Compare password user dot compare password. In this we have to pass the password. I'm going to see whether I have written the compare password or not. Copy this one and go to the user.models.js. Here I have did not written the compare password function. Compare password function user schema dot methods dot compare password equal to function. In this function, I'm going to take it as a password as a parameter, or you can take the pass, and here return the return the response like a bcrypt dot compare sync. In this, first I'm going to give the our password, like login password. Then you have to give the encrypted password. Encrypted password means in the database what password contains, that password I have to password compare. First I'm going to give the pass comma this dot password. It is the database present inside the database password. This is this dot password. Then it will give the this compare sync will return the boolean like true or false. Come to the controller part. After checking this, after giving the response, like you have to check the password is password correct. I have to throw an error like a throw new API error of 400 comma invalid invalid credentials invalid credentials. Then after completing this, generate the token. Generate the token const generate token equal to asynchronous user ID. We have to pass the user ID. First, we have to check the whether user is present or not. Here, user equal to await of user dot find by ID. Find by ID. We have to I have to give the I have to pass the user ID. If the user is present, if condition not of user is present. If user is not present, I'm going to throw an error called throw new API error user not found dot. Suppose user is present. User is present. I'm going to generate the token of token, or I'm going to directly return user dot generate this token I have to generate. This token I have to call user dot generate token. In this, we have written the function called jwt.signin. In the sign-in function, we have passed the token payload information and secret key and algorithms options. After 4 hours, it going to this token going to express. I have used the algorithm called HS256. I'm going to returning this token in the after completing this shrink this and come to the here collect the token generate token. This one also promise you have to use the await. This is also asynchronous method. Asynchronous function you have to use the await keyword. After this, once again check the database. Once again hit the user dot find method. I'm going to name it as a logged in user equal to await of. You have to pass the user dot underscore ID. Await user dot find by ID using the user dot underscore ID with select method. I have to deselect the few things like one is the password, another one is the hyphen underscore v underscore v. Then create the options for cookies HTTP only true comma secure true. These things create these options and here also you can give the if you want to so do the check for logged in not of logged in user. I'm going to throw new new API response like 400 comma user not found, user not found, user not found. If the user is found, I'm going to generate this token after this. Here, after founding this, you can pass like a logged in user dot underscore id this information and return response dot status. Here I'm going to give the status code as a 200, then JSON, then dot cookie of access token, comma access token comma token comma options dot JSON new API response. Now you have to give the new API response here 200 comma logged in user information comma user log logged in successfully, user logged in successfully, user logged in successfully. You have to export this, and in the routes file you have to write the router for login us. Router dot route of slash login dot post login user. Here it is automatically imported login user. Come to in the postman, create a one request, add here one request called login request, change the method to post, delete this one, method to post, and give the login pass. Give this URL and first run the application. Come to terminal, open new terminal and npm run dev, and application is running on the 7662 port. Open the postman and in the body part, in the raw section, select the JSON and give the information. First you have to sign up. If you try to sign up this information, I will get the information like user already existed, information like a email and password. I'm copying these things, remove the full name, email and password. If you try to send this, see, I got the login information, login response like a status code 200, message like a user logged in successfully, data I got the ID, username, email and full name. Password I have deselected in the while using the here like a logged in user in the controllers part. Here I have deselected in this line number 79. Due to that only password and underscore v is this we haven't observing here. If you want to see this, you can see this. You can remove this one, these things, remove these things, and if you try to hit this send button, see now I'm getting the password and underscore v. See, password also encrypted because of we have used the bcrypt dot hashing. Using that only it is encrypted. If you use this thing, and if you once again log in, click on this login button, see the password field and underscore v field gone ignored, like a gone. See, in the next class, we are going to see the how to perform the authorization like a authentication.middleware. We are going to create that file and we are going to perform the get user information, like get user information. We using the token, using this tokenization, using this token, we are going to get the information. We are going to do the two things, like one is the directly using this cookie, and one is the using like a authorization field in the request. Using the two ways we have to perform the get user request. If you like my content and if you like my explanation, please like and subscribe my channel and support my channel.